In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find attachments in Outlook. If you've ever known a file is sitting somewhere in your inbox but can't remember exactly where, this will save you time. We'll use Outlook on the web and its built-in search filters to quickly surface only the emails that include attachments, then narrow by who sent them. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Outlook link. Click that to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account to reach your inbox. Once your mailbox is open, go to the search bar at the very top of the page. This is where you'll control what Outlook looks for. Right next to the search bar, find the filter icon, which looks like a small funnel. Click it to open the Search Filters panel. These filters help you target exactly what you need without scrolling through every message. In the filters, turn on the option for attachments. This tells Outlook to show only the emails that have files attached, which immediately cuts out unrelated messages. It's a simple switch, but it makes a huge difference when you're hunting for documents, images, or PDFs. To narrow things further, type the sender's email address into the From field, or type it in the main search bar if that's what you see. Using the sender here adds a second layer of precision, so your results include only messages with attachments from that specific person. You don't need sample addresses. Just enter the actual sender you have in mind. Now click Search, or press Enter. Your results will refresh to show emails that match both conditions, they have attachments, and they're from the sender you specified. You'll typically see a paperclip icon on these messages, and many emails will show a quick preview of attached files. Open any result to view, download, or save the attachment. If you find too many results, add a keyword you remember from the file name or subject to narrow it down even more. If nothing appears, double-check that you spelled the sender correctly and that you're searching the right mailbox or folder. You can clear or adjust the filters at any time using the filter icon to broaden the results again. That's all there is to it. With the filter set to attachments and the sender filled in, Outlook makes locating files fast and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.